The MSI Aegis Z2 gaming desktop features the powerful AMD Ryzen R7-7700 processor combined with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card. I have provided the link to this desktop in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. This desktop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, offering a clean and modern interface optimized for your daily tasks and gaming sessions. The system includes 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and quick load times across applications and games. Storage is handled by a speedy 1 TB M.2 SSD, which drastically reduces boot and load times compared to traditional hard drives. The MSI Aegis Z2 is designed to stay cool even during intense gaming. It includes an RGB CPU Air Cooler and 4 system fans, 3 at the front and 1 at the rear, that efficiently pull in cool air and push hot air out, maintaining optimal temperatures and system stability. The sleek, minimalist design not only looks great but also provides easy access to internal components, making upgrades and maintenance simple for users. MSI uses standardized components in the Aegis Z2, allowing gamers to customize and upgrade their system without hassle. Included in the package are a keyboard and mouse, so you can start gaming or working right away without needing additional peripherals. Whether you are streaming your favorite games, editing videos, or handling everyday tasks, the Aegis Z2 delivers the speed and reliability needed. This desktop is a solid choice for gamers who want high-end performance combined with practical design and easy upgrade paths. With its 80+ Gold certified power supply unit, the system runs efficiently, reducing energy consumption and heat. Overall, the MSI Aegis Z2 gaming desktop balances power, cooling, and upgrade flexibility, making it a great option for serious gamers and content creators alike. Its combination of the latest AMD Ryzen CPU, NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU, and fast DDR5 memory ensures future-proof performance for the latest titles and demanding applications. With Windows 11 Home out of the box and a focus on user-friendly upgrades, this desktop is designed to keep pace with your evolving needs without compromise.